1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the King Kong banging on your chest. You can beat the world, you can beat the war, you can talk to God, go banging on his door. You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock, you can move a mountain, you can break rocks, you can be a master, don't wait for luck, dedicate yourself and you gon' find yourself standing in the Hall of Fame. And the world's gonna know your name, 'cause you burn with the brightest flame, yeah. And the world's gonna know your name, and you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. Go the distance, you can run the mile, you can walk straight through hell with a smile. You can be the hero, you can get the gold, breaking all the records that thought never could be broke. Do it for your people, do it for your pride. How you ever gonna know if you never even try? Do it for your country, do it for your name, 'cause there's gonna be a day when you're standing in the Hall of Fame. And the world's gonna know your name, 'cause you burn with the brightest flame. And the world's gonna know your name, and you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. Be a champion, be a champion, be a champion, be a champion. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers, be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions, be truth seekers. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers, be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions, standing in the Hall of Fame. And the world's gonna know your name, 'cause you burn with the brightest flame. And the world's gonna know your name, and you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. Be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the King Kong banging on your chest. You can beat the world, you can beat the war, you can talk to God, go banging on his door. You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock, you can move a mountain, you can break rocks. You can be a master, don't wait for luck, dedicate yourself and you gon' find yourself standing in the Hall of Fame. Hey, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you enjoyed that cover, then please do me a favor. Don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future content coming from this channel. And also, I want to thank Leolani for being today's sponsor and for allowing me to showcase the T52 4G, which is a tenor-sized ukulele, and truly, it's become my favorite model to play because it has incredible tone, and also the action is low, so it's easy to press down on those strings. And for the price you pay for this model, it's just going to give you a lot of quality that you won't find elsewhere. So click that link in my description box below and grab a hold of your T52 4G today. Again, thanks for checking out this channel, and if you want to hear some more music, then click on that link right over there. It's going to take you to another one of my ukulele play-along videos that I think you're going to enjoy, and I hope you consider breaking out your ukulele because I want to jam with you. So check that out. I look forward to seeing you right over there.